Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You're ready to begin. Make sure the TV is online and you're signed into the correct account. This ties voice commands to apps and preferences. Once done, pick up the remote and find the microphone button or the assistant icon. That's your trigger. Press and hold to initiate listening, then speak clearly. Name the show, app, or action. You do this because the TV sends your request to the cloud for recognition. Reliable Wi-Fi and assigned account speed results and personalized suggestions. Now you'll execute practical commands. Speak naturally, short phrases work best. Say play title on app to go straight to content or open YouTube to launch an app. For hardware control, tell the TV, switch to HDMI 2 or turn volume down 10 and it will act. You should include app names and clear titles because the assistant matches words to services. If you want details, ask follow-ups, what's the weather? Or show closed captions, and the system responds contextually. To finish, simply release the mic button or say stop. The TV will cease listening and act on the last command. If voice isn't recognized, make sure the remote battery is charged and your internet is stable. Restarting the TV often clears transient issues. If problems persist, update the TV firmware and confirm microphone permissions for accounts and apps. These steps resolve most faults because they refresh services and restore proper authentication, and they make future voice searches fast.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.